A comfortable 25 degrees here in Cape Town, where it's a little bit windy compared to heatwave conditions in the north. Pretoria saw to have 34 degrees this Wednesday and close to 40 degrees in Lephalale. Heatwave conditions will continue to bake northwest Gauteng and parts of the Bushveld up until Friday. So let's get into the studio and Michelle will tell us what's causing all of this heat and how hot will it get on Thursday.
Yes, Annette, it was hot on Wednesday, but it will even be hotter on Thursday due to warm air being transported from Central Africa to the central parts of South Africa. We are expecting temperatures in the mid-30s, soaring to 40 degrees Celsius in parts of the Northern Cape and Northwest. Also the Free State, with heatwave conditions continuing in parts of Northwest Gauteng and the Bushveld of Limpopo. A wind map showing northwesterly winds picking up in parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest, the Free State, the Western and the Eastern Cape, where the South African Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. Also windy conditions expected along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, with moderate to fresh winds blowing at times there. Our rainfall map showing a mostly dry day across the country this Thursday, only morning drizzle possible along the eastern escarpment of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. But in the Western Cape, heating up due to bergwind conditions, with temperatures soaring above 30 degrees Celsius, 32 the afternoon in Worcester and Robertson, comfortable along the southwestern coast with 24 in Cape Town and Langebaan. Also a comfortable afternoon for the southern coast with 23 in Mossel Bay and George, mostly sunny skies but quickly heating up in the Karoo with northwesterly winds blowing, 35 the afternoon in Beaufort West, and the South African Weather Service warning against runaway fires. Morning fog patches in parts of the Eastern Cape on Thursday morning. Later it will be a hot day with temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius, 33 in Kimani, northeasterly winds blowing along the coast, and a comfortable afternoon in East London. Warm to hot conditions expected in KwaZulu-Natal, temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius over the interior, with 31 in Pietermaritzburg and northeasterly winds blowing along the coast. A warm to hot day for the Highveld with 32 in Standerton, 31 in Secunda, morning drizzle around Mbombela, and a warm to hot day in the Lowveld as well with 32 the afternoon in Skukuza. Another day of heatwave conditions for the Bushveld with 37 the afternoon in Balabala, also hot in the Lowveld with 32 in Senin. And then in Northwest, we are expecting another day of heatwave conditions with 35 the afternoon in Rustenburg, northwesterly winds blowing over the western parts of Northwest, where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, and temperatures soaring to 40 degrees Celsius here in the south with 41 the afternoon in Taung. In the Northern Cape, northwesterly winds also picking up, where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. It will be an extremely hot day with temperatures soaring to 40 degrees Celsius in Uppington and Prieska. Also a hot day for the Free State with 36 in Bloemfontein and Forest Smith, 37 the afternoon in Welkom, and the Weather Service warning against runaway fires in the western parts. Day 3 of heatwave conditions for Gauteng with 32 the afternoon in Johannesburg, 34 in Pretoria. And then on Friday, we have a cold front sliding over the Cape provinces, bringing a rain to the southern coast and some thunderstorms for the central parts of the country. It will remain extremely hot in those areas. And then on Saturday, much cooler conditions behind that cold front in the Cape provinces. Temperatures only around 15 degrees Celsius with 15 in Graaff-Reinet, 16 in George. We are expecting scattered showers in these provinces, but remaining hot and dry over central and northeastern South Africa with 35 the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.